Come on, let's make some chicken and shrimp tostadas. I normally buy the chicken strip thighs and I cook those first, almost fully cooked. Then I add my shrimp and cook that also. Now you can add whatever seasonings you like, but I added some garlic salt and some red pepper to this. Now I'm just gonna let my shrimp cook, just turning it over, making sure that everything is nice and well cooked. Next, I'm going to take it off the heat and go ahead and cut my chicken up. Once I put it back on the stove, I'm going to add some green giant white shoepeg corn to it. Later on, I'm going to add some leftover rice. I had some boiling the bag rice that was left over. I'm also going to add some lime juice and some cilantro, lime, salsa, cremosa. I love that. I have to be careful about certain things that I eat. I used to eat another taco sauce made by this same company, but it had too much. It was the guacamole salsa that I used to use, but the sodium intake was too high, so I had to switch. This is smelling so good already, guys. I like tacos or tostadas. It doesn't matter to me. The shell is about the same. And usually I use the corn tostadas when I'm doing this. I'm adding a little bit more of the salsa, some red pepper, and some minced garlic. I also heat the salsa up in the microwave and then I pour that on at the end. Next, I'm cutting up some onions. I'm taking out a little spinach and cilantro, cutting that just a little bit. I'm cutting up some avocados also. I'm being nice on camera because I really love myself some onions, but I'm not putting as much as I generally put on my tacos or my tostadas. I use romaine lettuce sometimes, but today I'm using cilantro and spinach. Let's get this avocado cut up and into slices. And when I'm building the taco, I start off with the avocados at the bottom. Next, I'm going to take my corn tostado shells and pop them in the oven for maybe 1 or 2 minutes just to heat them. I don't like them straight out the bag. They taste stale when you don't heat them to me. Okay, let's get these shells on the plate and start building these tacos. I'm starting off with avocados. I love myself some avocados or guacamole. I use guacamole sometimes, but I use avocados most of the time. Then next, I'm going to add the chicken and shrimp, rice, and corn mixture on top. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add my sour cream. Gotta have that sour cream on those tacos or tostadas. Not the same without it. Then I put my onions on top of the sour cream. Then I'm going to add my cilantro and spinach on top. Adding some cheese on top of that. And then I'm topping it with some more of the cilantro lime salsa cremosa. And we are ready to sit down and eat this. And I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm right at 500 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a member of this family. And you guys have a wonderful and blessed day.